Hey folks, good afternoon. Mark from Plumbing Mart. We're back at Michael's basement Steven's basement. Michael's working on the job and we're making some great progress. We started tiling today. This is just some backsplash tile that we're going to put behind the machines. Nothing too elaborate. It's not a wet area or anything like that, but we got some beautiful tile going in. It actually matches the existing floor very nicely. These cabinets that we took out to inspect the wall, all the mold damage has been repaired. The cabinets are going back in. Here's the doors and all that. We got to put those guys together. Coming out here to the large area of the room, we have corrected our plumbing leak. We're rebuilding the bulkhead where all the water damage was down here. That drywall has been replaced, new insulation, new vapor barrier, new drywall. We've already changed all the plug heads and switches, so those are all done. We are working on these pot lights. A little bit of a problem here with the pot lights. I wanted to put some new LEDs in, but these have large boxes and I can't pull them out of the ceiling. So I'm there's a retrofit kit that goes with that. I'm gonna look for that because I want a flush mount. These are a recessed mount light, which means that we don't get a good lighting cone coming out of them. The light kind of comes down through the housing and it doesn't disperse very nicely. Whereas the flat new LED pot lights, the lens is right at the ceiling level and you get much better lighting out of that. So I have been doing a little bit of research today and I think we can put a retrofit into here without ripping the ceiling down. So we're going to try to do that. If not, ceiling comes down. We got our flooring here for the main area. We've got our nosing that I showed you on another video from Torley's. These are those stair caps that are going on in the stair treads and stair risers. Really cool system. So I'm excited to see that. That's what the stairs look like prior to us doing anything to them. They're an absolute mess. So this is going to be a huge upgrade. So get some painting done in here and start some flooring probably next week. So we're moving along pretty good. Fun job. Plumbing Mart, kitchens, bathrooms, basements, home renovations. Give us a call. Bye for now.